wishes to everyone. See, I'm glad to see you again. So today we are going to see about usage of words. What usage of words? Some words, that is few words. Yes, confused words. So how to use, where we should use them. Yes, so we are going to see about what? Usage of, that is confused words, which is in English grammar, right? So usage of words. See, let us see three set of words, right? Three sets. That is going to see about three sets. Yes, later we will see some words, right? So first set, woman, women, woman, women. That is woman. Yes, refers to a single person. That is women. We should pronounce it as we men, women. So women is refers to as plural. That is few men. Yes, many. That is more than one person, right? See, woman, woman. We should pronounce it as how? Woman. Then women, women, we men, women. See the pronunciation? Pronounce it as woman. That is woman. Here, we men, women. Right? So woman, women. So woman refers to a single, that is a single lady, that is a single person. So in that situation, we should pronounce it as woman, right? And more than one lady. That is, we should pronounce it as women, right? So women is a, actually you can think that both are same. It is wrong, right? So some of you think like that. So woman and women are both are lady, that is both are female, is totally wrong, right? So man is refers to singular, only one female, right? Women refers to more than one female, right? That is more than one lady, one person, right? So see, woman refers to one woman, that is women. Women refers to what? Few women, that is more than one woman, right? See, we should pronounce it as woman, that we man, that is women, right? Woman, women. This is the singular and this is the plural one. Next, right? See, next set of words. See, this and these, this, these, this, these, right? This is actually, while telling itself, we can able to understand that this means a single. This is these. So more than one, right? So this is, we will use for singular form, right? Singular form. And these things, that is these, more than one thing, right? See, whatever it may be, more than one. So that which is used for plural form, right? Plural form, more than one. So this refers to what? That is singular, and these refers to, that is plural. See there, where that is, this is used with is, is. This is used with is. We should mention it with is, and these should be mentioned by are. These should be mentioned by are. A-R-E-R. These are. Because it is a plural one, right? So more than one means, if for plural, we should use what? Are. A-R-E-R. And singular means is. This is, it is, he is, she is, they are. Yes, we will use, right? They are, because they is already a plural, right? So here these also a plural. So we should use what? Are. A-R-E-R. Yes. So this and these. This is the difference between both. That is this and these. We should use where? We should use this for singular and these for plural, right? We should be clear about this, right? And this is mentioned with is, is, and these should be mentioned with are, A-R-E-R, right? See, let us see an example. Look at the example. See, I want to buy this for you. I want to buy this for you, right? So this, only one. I want to buy this for you. Yes. So I would like to buy this for you, right? And this is mine. See here in this sentence, this, in between also we can use this, right? And we can start, that is, we can begin within a sentence with this, right? See, this is mine. This is mine. Yes, this pen is mine. So this is mine. See, for this I am using what? This. right? So this is a singular one. Yes, only one. Whether it may be a pen or book, pencil, whatever it is, right? So the thing or dress, anything, textile, yes, or books or materials, whatever it may be, this refers to what? Only one, right? So we should use this as for mentioning that this. So this is mine. This is mine, right? Next. Look at the next example. I want you to buy. Here, I want to buy this for you, right? And this is, I want you to buy. I want you to buy for me. That is, buy these things. These things. Yes, more than one. So, I want you to buy these things for me, right? So, these I am using in between. See, these. And look at this example. I started with, that is, I begin a sentence with these. So these things are purchased by me. So these things are purchased by me, right? So these. So in between also we can use, and we can begin a sentence with these and this, right? So both are same. There is no more differentiation, but we should use in a proper way. See, for this, that is for singular, we should use is, is. And for plural, that is these, we should use what? Are. That is not O or A or E. That is A or E, right? So because this is a plural one. So these are the plural one. More than one. Yes. So these are the example, right? And we are coming to very. That is very. Two. Already very is a lot. That is extreme one. Extraordinary. And two. So it is such a extra. That is extreme. While showing the extreme, yes, extreme position or extreme process, extraordinary, yes. So 2 is very extraordinary. That is double, triple extraordinary, right? So this is very already too much, but 2 we used for where? That is extreme position, extraordinary, right? By showing anything extraordinary, right? See, this is very is, that is very refers to manageable. Very is controllable. We can control, yes. Whatever it heavy means, we can able to control it. But 2, while talking about the 2, see, while talking about the 2, we cannot do that. We cannot manage it. We cannot control it. Yes, too heavy. There is extreme, already in extreme position, right? So we cannot control that. We cannot manage it, right? So very is, that is very refers to manageable, controllable. That see, and 2, that is 2 is not manageable, that is uncontrolled. It is in uncontrolled, right? So not manageable. See, let us see the example. Look at the example. See, the box is very heavy. The box is, that is it carrying something, right? It carries some weight in that is inside the box. They kept some things, right? It carries some weight, right? So the box is very heavy. The box is already very heavy, but I can manage it. Yes, but I can lift it. Yes, but I can manage it. So whatever the weight, I can manage it. While talking about the very, that is very, that is very heavy, right? And too heavy. See the sentence? Let us change it to 2, right? The box is too heavy. The box is too heavy. Yes, I cannot lift it. I cannot lift it. See here, we're talking about the very. See here, the box is very heavy, but I can lift it, right? Because I can manage it. Because it is in the controllable, right? So while talking about the 2, yes, the box is too heavy. That is too heavy. I cannot lift it. That is, I cannot manage it because it is in uncontrollable. That is manner, right? That's it. So very 2. This is the difference between both very and 2, right? So this is already a extreme position, and 2 is a very, that is a double, triple extreme position. That is extraordinary position, right? So these are all the difference between 2, that is set of words, right? You may think that these 2 words are same. It contains the same meaning. That is similar meaning, but it is not right. Exactly, that is not right. See, because see, woman is, that is one for singular and another for plural, right? But there is a different meaning for each word, right? So it is not same. So these sets of the words remaining, there are many words like this. So let us see it in later, right? So these are the usage of words. First, you should learn that where we should use these words, right? See, we should not use it in wrong manner, in a wrong thing, that is wrong situation, right? So whenever it is, that is where we should use, you should use in that situation only, right? But because this is the, that is man refers to what? Singular, and that is man refers to singular. Remain, the pronunciation is vary, that is pronunciation may vary, right? So we should pronounce it correctly, right? So remain, see here, I mentioned here the pronunciation. See the pronunciation, oo, that is oo, man, that is we, men, that is remain, right? Remain, right? So this is used for singular. We should use it with what? Is, and these were plural, used with what? Are, right? And very, see there is already a extreme question, that is, but we can manage, right? It is a manageable, and it is, that is not manageable, it is uncontrollable, right? So these are the words. Yes, I hope you understood. So thank you. Let us see, there is a see the other few, there are more words like this. So let us see, there is